Hi everyone, I Shurujit welcome you all on economatrixdey channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 10 का मैथमेटिक्स। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास।
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now today class 10 students, we are again going to continue with chapter 13 statistics, and we are going to continue with exercise 13.2, and today's part is part 6. Now those who have not watched the previous parts, I have shared the link at the end of the video. So do watch the previous parts, that is from part 1 to part 5, and then watch the part 6, okay, so that the concept will be clearer for you and you can understand the sum nicely. Now today we are going to solve question number 5. So let us see what they are asking us in the question. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Okay, and the data is been given, okay, in a tabular form. And then what they are telling us, find the mode of the data. That means they are telling us to find out only the mode. So let us start solving. How to solve the mode? You all know we have to first find out what the maximum frequency. So this is the frequency column. So the maximum frequency you can see 18. So this one only we will circle it and we will write what? This one, modal class, okay, and the modal class, this is F1, previous one is F0, and after F1 is what? F2. Now nothing else, what we will write, since 18 is the maximum, you can write in short also max dot max. Since 18 is the maximum frequency, therefore modal class is what? 18, 4000 to 5000, 4000 dash 5000. Clear? You got it? So L is how much? 4000, okay, comma, then F0 is how much? F0 is 4, then F1 is how much? It is 18, then F2 is how much? It is 9, and then H is how much? See, 4000 to 5000. 4000 to 5000. What is the gap? You have to just subtract. 5000 minus 4000. It is what? 1000. Clear no? Now we will put the formula. Therefore, mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0, 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And after that we are going to put the values, okay. So here 4000 plus, now F1 is how much? 18 minus F0 is how much? 4. Now 2 into 18 minus 4 minus F2 is how much? 9 into 1000, okay. Now 4000 plus, okay, 18 minus 4, 14, 2 into 18, 36, minus 4, minus 9 into 1000. Now after that 4000, never touch this 4000, keep it like that only. So 14, now 36 minus 4, 32, minus 9 into 1000. Now let me do it here, okay. So first is what? 4000. Then plus. Now 14 will be as it is, 14 divided by. Now 32 minus 9 is how much? 23. If you cannot do, you can do the rough. Then into 1000. Now 4000 plus 14 into 1000, 14,000 divided by 23. Clear? Now 4000 plus, now this one we will divide and then we will add and we will get the answer. Now students, if you like this video, if you like my channel, then I would like to request all my students to please give a like Share this video more and more with your friends, classmates and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you all. And also don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Now let us come back to the sum. Now it is written here 4000 plus. Now we will divide this one. So once we divide, let us do the division here. So 14,000 and this is 23. So will it go with 1? No. Then 14? No. Then now 140. Okay. So let us try 23 into 6. Let us see. 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 2 are 12, 13. So it is coming with 6 138. Then we will subtract. So we will cut this one, make it 3 and this one 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Now what will come down? 0 will come down. Okay. So 20. Now 20 and this is 23 smaller. So 23 zeros are 0. So if you subtract again 20. Now this 0 maybe come down. Okay. So it becomes 200. Okay. So you can see 23 6 are 138 and now it is 200. So let us try with 23 8s. Okay. So 8 3s are 24. 2 carry, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18. Okay. So 184. So it will go with 8. So 184. Now if you subtract, it is 16. Clear no? Now we will put a point and then here 1 0. Clear no? So it comes here 160. Now let us see with 160. Okay. It is coming here 160. Now we will try with 23 into what? 7. Okay. 7 3s are 21, 2, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. So 161, it is big. So when it is big, we will try with 6 only. So what we will do, we will write here 6. Okay. So 23 6 is what? 138. Now if you subtract, see this one you cut, you make it 5 and this becomes 10. So 2. Now 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. Then again you can put here 1 0, 220. Can you see or no? 220. So let us do it 23 into 8s are 184. So 9s are 9 3s are 27. 2 carry 9 2s are 18, 19, 20. So 207. Clear? So what we will write here? 9. So what you get here? 608.69. Now 4000 plus. Can I make it 608.7? Because this is 9, we are rounding off after decimal one number. Okay. So this one comes. Now if I add it, so if you add, how much it will come? 4608.7. And they are telling about runs. So the answer will be runs. And this is the answer. Clear? Now those who cannot add, you can do like this way, 4000.0. Don't forget to write that 0.0. And then point below point 7 is here and 806 is here. Now when you add 7 and this one 8064. So what you get? 4608.7 runs. Okay. And that is the answer of this question, question number 5. So I hope you have understood question number 5 nicely. Now let us come to the last question of exercise 13.2, that is question number 6. So let us see what they are telling us in the question. A student noted the number of cars. Okay, one student is noting down the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes. Okay, and summarized it in a table given below. So one student is noting down, okay, what cars are passing through a spot, and the table is here given, the chart. Find the mode of the data. So you can see simply here it is telling find the mode. That means you have to find out the mode, and the data is given what? number of cards 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. And the frequency 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. Okay. So simple sum. Okay. And it is telling to find out the mode. And we all know we have done so many sums on this topic, that is the mode. Okay. And I think this sum will be very easy for you. Okay. Only they are asking us to find out the mode. So chalo, let us find out the mode by taking this chart only is given in 2 rows and several columns, and we will convert it and write it in 2 columns and several rows. Okay. Now class 10 students, I have written the 2 columns, okay, and with several rows. So it was given in 2 rows and several columns were there, but I converted into only 2 columns and several rows. Now what is our first duty? To find out the maximum frequency. And maximum frequency is what? Maximum frequency is the highest frequency. So here which one is the highest frequency? 20. Can you see? So that will be the modal class. So this will be the modal class. And the modal class, what we will write? F1. And before 1, F1 आगे थे. Okay. आगे में क्या होगा? F0. 1 के आगे क्या होता है? 0. और 1 के बाद क्या होता है? F2. सो F2 लिख दिया. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इसको ही लिखेंगे इंग्लिश में. Since which one is the highest frequency? 20 is the maximum frequency. 20 is the maximum frequency. Therefore, modal class equal to, modal class क्या है? 40 to 50. So 40 dash 50. Clear? एकदम simple. Now I will write L. L is how much? 40 to 50, the lower one. So 40. Then F0. F0 कितना है? 12. Okay. Then F1. F1 is how much? 20. Can you see? And F2 is how much? F2 is what? 11. So it will be 11. And next one is H. H is what? H is the difference. 40 to 50. 40 to 50. The difference, the gap is how much? If you subtract 50 and 40. So what you will get? 10. Now we will put the formula. Therefore, mode equal to L plus, draw one line, F1 minus F0. Then 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now L value is how much? 40 plus. Now F1 is how much? 20 minus. Okay, F0 is how much? 12 by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. Now 40 plus 20 minus 12 is how much? 8 divided by 2 into 20, 40 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. Now 40 plus 8. Now 40 minus 12, how much comes? 28 minus 11 into 10. Now let me do it here. Okay, equal to. So 40 will be as it is, plus then 8 as it is. Now 28 minus 11 is coming how much? 17 into 10. So you cannot cut. Okay. So what you will do? You will write 40 plus this 40 you never touch. Okay. Then 8 into 10 top you multiply 80 by 17. Now you will get the answer when you divide 80 divided by 17. So let us do the division here. So inside we will write 80 and 17 will be outside. Now 17, how much the closer? So let us do with 4. 4 sevens are 28. 2 carry. 4 ones are 4. 5, 6, 68. So what is left? See, it is 12 left. You cut this one, it becomes 7, 10. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So 12 is left. Now I will put a point here and then it becomes 1, 2, 0. Okay, I will put here 1, 0. Why? Because I have I am bringing here one decimal point. As soon as I bring decimal point, 10 comes. So now 17 closer to, so if you do 17 into 7, 7 sevens are 49, 4, 7 ones are 7 plus 4, 11. So 119. Bus, you don't need, after decimal point one number you got it, bus, finished. Now 4.7. Now if you add, see 40 means 40.0 and this one is what, 4.7. When you add it, 7, then point below point, 4 or 0 will be 4. Again this 4 will come down. So what you will get, 44.7. And the question is talking about cars, number of cars. So the answer also will be 44.7 cars. And this is the answer. Clear? So now it is your duty that to practice this all the sums, sum number 1 to sum number 6. I have done the whole exercise 13.2. It is your now duty to practice these sums again and again so that when it comes in the exam you can do correctly as well as quickly. And if you have any doubt, then you can go to the comment section and you can write your doubts. I will try to give each and every one the answer, okay? Or I will try to clear all your doubts. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।